Wood is a durable, versatile, renewable, and beautiful building material. It can be molded and shaped. It has incredible structural abilities. It helps us reconnect with nature and enjoy the outdoors. But it is not invincible. Its enemy is water. Without its natural protector, bark, lumber is exposed to harsh conditions. Water is no longer a nutrient, but rather a destructive element, becoming the stimulus for fungi growth and decay. To see how this happens, let's take a closer look. All plants, including wood, get structural support from lignin, a substance which binds wood cells together. When lignin is broken down by fungi, water is able to seep in and cause damage. This leads to even more fungi growth and further deterioration of the wood, resulting in rot and structural decay. Seal once penetrates the surface, forming a shield around the wood fibers and cells. This prevents water damage by protecting from the inside out. Its proprietary formula uses non-toxic, deep-penetrating nanoparticles to prevent damage and decay caused by water infiltration and fungi growth. As it is absorbed, seal once bonds to the wood fibers on a microscopic level, providing your wood structure with durable and long-lasting protection. Start your project today and entertain guests tonight. Keep your wood beautiful. Protect it from the inside out. Protect it with Seal Once.